everybody's body is shaped differently. So um, I really figured that when I ran into these problems, either I had to make the sizes a little bit bigger for them to fit correctly. I mean, that's one thing that I don't like to do. I want to make sure that when I put the sizes up, I let people know, through the site, like these are the sizes that we have. So you should make sure that you know exactly what size that you wear, from a medium shirt to a large jogger or whatever the case may be, because it makes their experience more viable to them, because now once they get the product and they put it on, like, oh wow, it fits great, it feels good, right? But now if they have the issues of not putting that size in there, then it becomes a problem for me, right? So now they either want their money back or they will return the clothing and everything. So to cut out that, I just be very direct as far as the size is concerned. If this is what you wear, this is what you order, but also the thing is using AI in the process, right? I'm working with a company in Canada. We're in the talks because that's what they do. They take clothing, and they size it up, and to someone comes online, they put themselves in the clothing, right? And the clothing fits their body, right? So now it shapes into their body. So now the AI picks up, okay, well, this is the size that we think that will fit best because of their body shape and their body frame. So when you're dealing with certain systems, as my company is growing, it takes a little bit of money to have certain things implemented, to have this type of system that's going to help you out in the long run, because the world is changing, right? And you having AI do a lot of different things for us computers, for us everything that we're doing right now. But to have that shape somebody, to give them the correct size, to let them know this is what I think is best for you, this is the size, or your color tone, or whatever the case may be, it changes the game, right? It changes that a person like myself, a business owner, or people who have multiple companies, that won't have to worry about these back charges coming back, or they're getting these clothing that's being returned, because a lot of these clothing are either going to be discounted or in stores. So to cut that out, AI works a way that's going to help everybody out, save a lot of money, but also change the way emissions are put out within the universe, when it comes to manufacturing clothing.